what are your salary expectations? Here are two important tips that you should take into account, and after that, I will give you a high scoring example answer. Tip number one, describe your experience and expertise that make you a valuable asset to the company and how this translates to a fair and competitive salary. Tip number two, highlight your commitment to achieving exceptional results and contributing to the company's overall success and how this motivation is linked to a fair compensation package. My example answer to this interview question is: what are your salary expectations? As someone with a proven track record of success in this role, I have a clear understanding of the value I can bring to your organization. I possess valuable leadership qualities, a relentless drive for achieving exceptional results, and a deep understanding that every action I take must be focused on contributing to your company's overall success. Based on my extensive experience and expertise, I am seeking a salary of $70,000 per year, which reflects the going rate for top performing employees in this industry. For this amount, I am confident that you will see a positive return on your investment. I have a strong track record of driving sales and maximizing revenue through my expertise in customer service and marketing. In my previous role, I was able to increase sales by 20% through a combination of exceptional customer service and strategic marketing initiatives. In addition, I implemented cost saving measures that resulted in a 10% reduction in overall expenses. I am highly motivated to bring this same level of success to your organization and am confident that a salary of $70,000 per year would be appropriate based on my experience and expertise. This is a confident answer, and you can imagine that giving this level of answer in your interview, it demonstrates that you've done your research and that you have a thorough understanding of your value in the market. Now, just very quickly, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe so that we can help you and other candidates pass your interview on the first attempt. We can only help you if you support the channel, so please give the video a thumbs up because it motivates us to keep creating content for you. So, the next thing I want you to do is click on the link in the top right corner of this video and head straight to MegaInterview.com, and you can find more than 10,000 free job interview questions and answers for any job position you're looking for. You will also find more information about writing a resume and cover letter, but also job search advice and career advancement tips that will put you ahead of the competition. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can help you and other candidates pass their job interviews, and do not forget to like the video. By liking the video, you let us know that you like the interview questions and answers given, and it also motivates us to create more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with passing your next job interview.